Hello. We're looking at sets. We're looking at sets. You're looking at sets, Venn diagrams, and problem solving. Venn diagrams and problem solving. The Venn diagrams and problem solving. Venn diagrams and problem solving. Now, in this aspect of set, the question might come in two forms. Either it's going to come in form of a word problem, or it's going to come on a Venn diagram that is drawn. So whichever way it is coming, the idea is that you need to understand how to approach the question. For example, if the question is coming in a word problem, then you know that you're going to illustrate the information on the Venn diagram. But if the problem is coming, or if the Venn diagram has been drawn and you'll be asked to find a particular unknown on the diagram, it makes it easy for you, because they are going to give you the total number of elements in that set, or any other information that will lead to the answer. For example, now we have an example here. Looking at this is a Venn diagram of two sets, set B and T, where B is representing basketball, T is representing table tennis. The number of students that play basketball only is described as 16 minus X, and the number of students that play both basketball and table tennis is X. And those that play tennis only is 41 minus X. And the total number of students in that class is 50, and we are asked to find X. What we are going to do is that by the time we add this plus this plus this plus this and equate it to 50, which is the total, we are going to get, we can now find the value of X, or find what X is. So having done this, the next thing for us to do is for us to collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, all the ones that has to do with X, 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 we put them on the left-hand side, and the numbers 16, 41, and 7, we put them on the right-hand side. So what I'm going to do is that I have 50 here, minus 16, minus 41, and minus 7. And when you subtract this, you will now arrive at X at minus 14. Minus X plus X is 0, and we'll be having minus X is equal to minus 14. So what we are interested in is X and not minus X. So minus X is equal to minus 14. We'll now multiply both sides by minus 1, or we divide both sides by minus 1. So that will give us 14. So the value of X is equal to 14. So the value of X in that set now is equal to 14. I will repeat it again. I said earlier on that this is a Venn diagram showing two sets, set B and set T. B is standing for basketball, T is standing for tennis. The number of students that play basketball only is denoted, or the expression there is 16 minus X. And those that play both basketball and tennis is X. And those that play tennis only is 41 minus X. We are asked to find X. And we are told that 7 of the students play neither of the two games. So all we need to do is that we add this, add this, add this, and add this, and equate it to 50, and make X the subject of the formula. So I added like this, and I had to take all the ones that has to do with X, I drop them on the left-hand side, and the ones that has nothing to do with X, I take it to the right-hand side by collection of what? Like terms. So I arrive at minus X is equal to minus 14. X is equal to minus 14 over minus 1, and that will give me 14 as the answer to that question. So I'm going to take another example again. Example 2. We have a set like this.